decimals. So let us say we have this number. That worked out well. Where did decimals go? I'll find it here somewhere. Okay, trained professional. Let's say you've got this number 35.18762. Decimal place values work kind of like this. First of all, this lovely little guy is called the decimal point. And the thing to understand is that decimals are based completely on tens, as is our system here. You know, everything going to the left is 10 bigger than the one before. In other words, when you get to 9 and you get a 0, you add 1. You get 10 in this column, you get one of those. Well, this kind of works backwards in the sense of when you divide this by 10, you're going to get one of those if you get 1 divided by 10. That's why this is called the tenths with the TH place. Tenths place. And then it goes the hundredths with the TH, DTH. And then the thousandths place. And then the 10,000ths flat. 10,000ths place. And then the 100,000ths place. And you have to have that DTH, otherwise it puts it way over here in the 100,000ths place. And nothing could be farther from the truth. And what you must understand is that the farther away from the decimal you get, the smaller the thing you're talking about is going to be. For example, this 2 right there, is a 2 in the 100,000ths place. That means if you wanted 200,000ths, if you wanted 200,000ths of this piece of paper, you would have to cut this piece of paper into 100,000 equal pieces, and you just get to keep 2 of them. That's how small that number would be. Tenth is not so bad. You know, it's not so hard to cut this into tenths. I could probably rip it into tenths. This is probably about, you know, this is probably about a tenth of this piece of paper right here. That's not so bad. But if I wanted 1/100th of that, then I would have to take every tenth and cut it into 10 equal pieces. So that's probably a little bigger than that. You know, this is probably about 100th of what I started with. Okay, and then if I wanted 1,000th of what I started with, I'd have to cut this into 10 pieces, which now I'm starting to get out of my cutting range. Oops, I think I just wrote it too much. You know, maybe something like that. You know, and then 10,000th, you'd have to cut that into 10 pieces, and that's why when you get way out here, when you get way out there, you're talking about such a small thing, okay, that it really doesn't, it's kind of whatever. And also please note that no matter what your decimal number you're talking about, even though I've got all those digits and some of those are high digits, that number is going to be less than the number 1. 1 would always be bigger than any decimal that you could put out there. And a good example of that is money. You know, what's bigger, $1 or 99 cents? Well, a dollar is. Even though that's 99, okay, it's 99 100ths of a dollar. 99 pennies is not still smaller than 1. Do they ask us how we say this? Which digits in the hundreds? Yeah, and all they're going to do is ask you what digit's going to be in what place. They'll say what digit's in the thousandths place. That's this one here. Please remember, these are to the right is a mirror image of the left, except there is no ones place, and that throws people off. Okay, just like you have tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Wait, did I say ones? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, blah, blah. There is no ones here. There's just a tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. And that's really all they're asking you here. If I have this 362.0548, what digit is in the thousandths place there? What digit is in the thousandths place there, Brant?
4.
The 4. What digit's in the hundreds place? In the hundreds place, Carter?
5.
Nope. I said hundreds place, not hundredths place. Hundreds place is the
0. 8.
hundreds place. Jacob Lick,
3.
the 3. Ones, tens, hundreds. What digit's in the tenths place? In the tenths place, Wade, is
0.
0. In the tens place, the tens place is Cartwright,
6.
6. In the 10,000ths place, William?
8.
The 8. Yeah, 10,000ths. That TH is incredibly important.